Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm out for TTGT. I blew the servo on the DS3218 Pro. This is the TTGT A main starting now. Alright, here we go. TTGT A main. All these drivers are very fast. Let's see if we can get some nice close proximity racing. We've got some guys in this that can do it. Oh no! And immediately everyone's all spread apart. I have not seen this layout used before here, so it's been a fun day of racing this today. I really like this, flowy. This is a very technical section. You have to get this right. You want to keep your momentum up, and this is actually ends up being your braking zone here. And keep it tight, and then you have another braking zone there. And then you try and kind of roll on the power all the way through to keep your momentum up through the straightaway. Everyone's still very separate. Hey, that's me. 5th place was 0. Great. So yeah, the servo won't center anymore. It's screwed. It died on Q3. And there's some other people here that run that cheap servo. I mean, it lasted me a couple of years. I was quite happy with it, but I guess that's what happens when they let go. They just stop centering. And now I'm getting intermittent turning too.
Two separate battles taking up out there right now. James and Mike are front, and you got different horses.
This is the leader here in the pink and purple. He's about to lap the back markers for the first time. We'll watch James go through. Watch him hit all of his lines. He's got that TT02 dialed. Oh, I was zoomed in so much you couldn't see that sweet pass. Dang it.
James answered the call as James will pass off at 10.11 speed. Mike will pass off at 10.3.
This is the cheapest way to get into RC racing for the most part. This is box stock TT02s or TT01s with some, I mean, you should put bearings in them, and they no longer come with the speed controls in the box, so it's gotten a little bit more expensive than it used to be, but you're getting a motor and a body. So really you just add bearings, wheels, a speed control, some paint, your radio system, and you're racing, which actually turns out cheaper than Kyosho Mini Z racing is, in my opinion, because Mini Zs are over $200, and if you get these on sale, you can get these for around $100.
Everybody is very good passes last. Chris Dunn was in 5, Darcy was in 4. Mike Zutel was 10.1 battles. There's 2 battles still going on. It looks like the one between Darcy and Chris is starting to heat up. And the yellow and black Chris is being harassed by Darcy. That's the 3rd place right now. That's looking pretty nice.
The 3-4 battle is looking pretty heated. Oh, overcooked it. Yeah. That BMW is fast. It was running me down on the straightaway. It's got the top speed somehow, for sure. Oh, too much. You see that? Two-wheeled it. Yeah, you push it too much, and that's all she's got, because these are friction shock machines. These are not, you know, well handling machines. it's a challenge for sure. That's what makes it challenging, is to make them get around quicker, because you're on friction shocks, plastic tub chassis, everything's super basic on them. There's like no setups you can do other than shock droop levels. Oh, super quick Marshall by Chris Knapp there. Very nice, very nice. And that's it. James with a handy win. Mike Zufelt in second. There you go. That was TTGTA, main. Right on. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. So yeah, mine, just the servo is, it's like locked up and then won't center anymore. It just feels weird. It feels broken, yeah, which it is. It doesn't seem too bad to change it out. It's the two screws on the bottom there. 2 screws on the bottom there to get it out. Should be able to just lift it out and swap it out pretty easy. I just didn't feel like doing it today because I'm running these other classes. Take a look at the next races coming up in F1 and stock sedan.